How's it going?
It's going well so
About
far.
20 seconds each.
You're getting closer. Getting closer. Probably not quite there.
It was a fantastic day. Just a lot of great time with folks on the floor, in production, and in the warehouses. The most interesting thing was actually meeting folks and getting a chance to talk to them. Obviously building products and working with different equipment and tools and technologies we use, but actually working with the people that help show me how to use them, to understand how much they actually understand about our processes and our products. They're the people that help make us successful and why we do what we do.
I used to be able to do 2,800 of these a day, so I need to live up to my legend.
Oh my God.
I've obviously got something to live up to.